In this video, we'll use the raster calculator and reclassify tools to figure out where crop types have changed between the 2 years. First, let's clean up our layers panel and remove any unnecessary layers. Go ahead and delete all layers except for our CDL 2014 layer. Next, go to the catalog pane and add in the CDL 2015 layer to our map from the data folder. It will be located in the Lab 5 geodatabase that we downloaded. The layer will not automatically be colorized to match our CDL 2014 layer, but we don't need this since we'll be calculating the differences using Raster calculator. In the geoprocessing search bar, find the Raster calculator tool. This tool will allow us to do raster math on our 2 crop layers using an expression that we create. In the toolbox on the right, find the function called ABS, which stands for absolute value. Then in the parentheses of this, double-click on the 2015 layer, then on the 2014 layer, and separate them by a subtraction sign. Essentially, we are finding the difference between the 2015 and 2014 layer, and the absolute value function gets rid of any negative values. Since the values of our rasters are merely categorical, we're only finding where the crop type stayed the same and where the crop type changed in the 2 years. Once the layer is loaded, go ahead and save your project. Next, search for the reclassify tool, and this tool will allow us to lump some of our values together and create a binary raster dataset. Select the crop 14 and 15 layer that we just created as our input and set the field to our value field. Next, we can specify which values we want to lump together. In the Start section, double-click and fill in 0.01. In the End column, put the maximum value, which we can see in our drawing order as 253. Next, set the New column to 1. Then click anywhere on the screen. There will be a No Data field that will automatically appear, and that will represent our 0 values, or our unchanged crop types. Save the file as any name or the default name and hit Run. A new raster layer will appear with only 2 colors this time. Any area with a 0 value means that the crops remain the same, and any value with a 1 means that they changed from 2014 to 2015. Zoom in and see where the highest areas of crop change may have taken place. Take a screenshot of your completed binary map, and in the next video we'll create a layout for our 2 3x3 and 7x7 maps.